Good morning, friend. Today I am showing you inorganic vegetable garden. Look here, I have planted some Kashmiri chili. Look, oh, now it is time to harvesting. Look how much Kashmiri chili are grown. Look, very simple. And I take a wooden box and put some soil, any ordinary soil. And after that, I have to make here some seed of a video बनाता है अभी inorganic inorganic this is inorganic. I have to make a video and share with you. It is very simple. I purchased this CD from the market, one packet from a DMart. After that, I remove this seed and put in the soil. Look how much it is grown. Look, so many. And here also. Look here, how many. Here also. Very simple. No need to place. Look, it is like ordinary. Look here, it is not ordinary, not a place. Only it is a drainage system. Here is a drainage system. I keep this wooden box here and put a chili seed here and this how much chili came. Look, all are ripened. I keep this again. I have keep this seed put in the soil and it become a new plant. Look, this. All are written. This written here. Look here also. Here also. Then here also. Look here. How many? Here. This also. So many is there. Look here. Here. I make this. I keep it for seed. For next time I will plant it in more number of container I have collect and have to put here more. The one, see how much. Look at how much is. This is look how much. Then after I am showing you, I have collect some seed from my kitchen. This is brinjal. Look, I have planted more than 10 plant here. It's simple, only in a wood box. How many brinjal is coming? Look, here is brinjal. So many brinjal. Look here. Every flower, one brinjal come. Look, look, very simple. How much? Here, look. The big brinjal. I'm showing you, friend. Yeah, I'm showing you, friend. Here is a brinjal. Look. Every flower, don't miss any flower. Is here flower and flower. So many. Is here many flower is coming. All are converting to a brinjal. Look. Here also we have seen this. This is also brinjal. So many brinjal came. Here only I put the seed. The soil in a box or anything. And brinjal. Look how many brinjal. Many brinjal come. It is fully inorganic. Not only here also. Here only 3, 10, 12 plant I have planted the seeds and it become a brinjal. Look here. This is my brinjal garden. It is very simple. Look. Fully nothing, only put the soil and put the seed and it become a inorganic garden. Nothing, no need to. This is an ordinary place, nobody can use it. I use it. I am showing you. There also the flower come. Look, brinjal flower. Look, brinjal flower have list. Nothing. Every flower has a one brinjal. Come look here. Is here brinjal? Look here. Is here one flower? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 brinjal? No miss flower. Is here down. Look here. Is down brinjal. Here also many brinjal come. Look here. Look, so many brinjal is there. Look here also. Brinjal. This is brinjal. How nice. Big brinjal. That is small, nothing. Only container. Put this seed into the soil and it become a inorganic garden. Nothing. Here also. Two is there. And here is down is there. So many brinjals are come. Look, is here also one. This is my garden. Yeah, this also garden. Look. Very simple, nothing. Only put the seed of the soil and it will be converted into a inorganic garden. Look here, nothing. No, it is only a pastime here. And another I am showing you. This I show the seeds. This is seeds come. This is a snake guard. All after what I will show you after 1 month, I did big plant. This is all are snake guard. All are. This also lady's finger. This also lady's finger. After that I will show you how much. This is now this nothing. Only have showing the seed. After that I show, and there is bitter guard also. Snake guard also. After that, after 1 or 2, after 1 month, you will see how much it grown. And very simple. I only cover the soil and put the seeds in a nursery. I purchase the nursery seed and it become a look here. This very simple. Nothing. Anything. What? Many things I have to. Here is a. This is another one showing you. There is a mint. The mint. Nothing. This is mint. How nice the mint is come. This is mint. This is mint. Only purchase say 1 bundle mint leaf and remove this leaf and this stake you have to put into the soil and it become a mint plant. It is more good for health. This is good for health. Look here, mint. This is mint. This is asmine also. This is asmine. You know this is dragon. Planted here, so the dragon. After summer season will come. This is another. They got this long bean. This is long bean. I am showing you. Just it started. Is going. This is long bean. Long bean. This is a long bean. This is long bean. Like I have seen only, but this is what is this? It is a red ginger. It is not here. It is red ginger. Even flower also given. This red ginger. This is red ginger. Red ginger. Red ginger. And also here is brinjal. Look here. Brinjal here. There. Brinjal. There also brinjal. Here is also brinjal. And this is for peanuts and keep for seed. It is domestic spinach. So many is there. Look, I have planted here some. Here also down. Look, imagine down also. Brinjal down. Here. Down make it big brinjal is there. All are in the big brinjal. Here also And then between beside the leaf also, so many 4, 5, 3, 4, 5 brinjals are. Every plant has so many brinjals cup. This, so many. Not only this is. Look here, not very simple place. I put it a brinjal garden. And look, this is a brinjal garden. Very simple. All are inorganic. No, not. Only put the soil and put the seed and become a inorganic garden. Look, very simple. Thank you for watching my video. Have a good day, all my friends. Thank you. Have a nice day for all. Thank you for watching my video.